911R on Bring a Trailer. I want to talk about this 1974 BMW 2002. These are really rare and special cars. These were one of the few cars that brought in the turbo car age that, like most cars are today, are turbocharged. This car was the first European car to come with a turbocharger. The Americans actually beat the Euros to it with the Corvair and the 62 Oldsmobile Rocket with a turbo on it. But this was the first of the European sports cars. They narrowly beat out Saab and Porsche with the 911 turbo. The regular 2002 had about 120 horsepower. TII was like 130. This car was a whopping 170 horsepower. It's a huge horsepower increase, and it had like as much torque as well. Some of the styling parts of this car are the wide fender flares for the wider wheels and tires on the car. This car has Alpina wheels on it, and we actually have a set of center caps coming for it, and they will come with the car. Other was the large air dam in the front, and you can get this air dam in two different ways. You can get it with just the blue, red, and light blue stripe, or you could have the reverse fonted 2002 turbo, so you could see what it was, and it was reversed, so you can see it in your rearview mirror. Our first photos of this spoiler, the stickers were reversed. As you can see now, they're corrected now, and they look right. The body and paint on this car is really nice. These cars all suffered from rust issues over the years, all the 2002s, not just the turbos. This car seems very solid. The shock towers all look really good in the front and the rear. All the trim work, the chrome is all in very nice shape. This is an original interior. It hasn't been restored. This car has been definitely a driver, and it has been well used and maintained. We have lots of records and receipts and stuff you can see in the auction. 4-speed standard transmission. You got this cool rear rubber lip spoiler on the back, and again badging on the back, the turbo in the 2002. But again, you look inside the rear compartment in here. Let's get it out. Everything's really nice. Jack, spare toolkit, the spare, everything you see, it's really is nice and clean. It hasn't been beat up or crashed or damaged. These boards I think have probably been redone, but they're in great shape. This car is just really unique, really a high water mark for BMW, and really setting the standard for performance sports cars, especially for 1974. Any questions about the car, please use the contact seller button. We'll be happy to answer, get any details for you. We got a couple of days left in this auction. Also, if you're ever interested in 911R or selling a car for you, use the contact seller button, and we'll be happy to discuss your car. Thank you very much.